Welcome back, financial thrill seekers, to our channel where we decode the mysteries of the stock market. And today, oh boy, do we have a wild ride for you. We're diving deep into the numbers, the stats, and the juicy details of none other than Booz Allen Hamilton Holding Corporation. So buckle up, because we're about to take off on a journey through the financial galaxy. First stop, the price-to-earnings ratio or P/E ratio. Picture this. You're at a bustling marketplace, and the price tag on Booz Allen Hamilton reads 46.30 trailing 12 months PR, while its average over the last 5 years has been a modest 23.25. But hold on to your hats, because looking forward, the PR stands at 24.50, suggesting some exciting potential on the horizon. Now let's talk PG or price/earnings to growth ratio, which clocks in at 3.67. Indicating that growth might come at a premium. Remember that a value around 1 is when a stock can be considered undervalued. Insider ownership? A modest 1.67%, suggesting the real action might be out on the open market. But when it comes to returns, Booz Allen Hamilton is no slouch, with return on equity hitting a whopping 35.42%, return on assets at a respectable 6.33%. Return on invested capital standing tall at 11.27%. These numbers indicates how efficiently Booz Allen Hamilton uses its shareholders' equity and company assets to generate earnings. Speaking about earnings, the earnings per share or EPS sits at a solid $5.18, with a promising outlook for the next 5 years at a growth rate of 12.6%. But what really gets us excited is the stellar evolution of EPS over the last decade, with a jaw-dropping compound annual growth rate of 13.71%. Talk about a rocket ship headed to the moon. Now, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. Free cash flow per share has seen a bit of turbulence, dropping by -0.46% annually over the last decade. And while the dividend yield sits at a modest 1.34%, the real kicker is the staggering 16.98% dividend growth over the last decade. Operating margin? A solid 6.93%. Profit margin? A respectable 3.93%. But what's really got our engines revving is the incredible evolution of revenue and earnings over the last 8 years. Talk about hitting the jackpot. This situation has been reflected in the market price of Booz Allen Hamilton since it has obtained a total return higher than VO during the last 5 years. Now, let's talk about debt. Booz Allen Hamilton's debt-to-equity ratio stands at 3.25, a number that might raise a few eyebrows. But with a market cap of a staggering $18.62 billion, this corporation is no small fish in the pond. And what do the analysts say? They're predicting a price of $151.50 in the next 12 months, representing a tantalizing upside of 5.57%. And as for me? I'm pegging the fair value at $149.65, suggesting there might just be a hidden treasure waiting to be uncovered. So there you have it, folks. The wild, roller coaster ride that is Booz Allen Hamilton Holding Corporation, where every twist and turn holds the promise of adventure and opportunity. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more financial adventures. Until next time, happy investing!